Okay. Hi, Renu. Thank you so much for joining this small session, which is for healing. And I'm really grateful to your time. So today, definitely, we will talk about little bit of healing. That was your, I think, the area of concern. So yeah,
Yeah.
first you ask what you want to heal.
First of all, thank you so much for sparing time for me to answer my query. So, my query is about Ho'oponopono. I've been hearing about it a lot, that it works really good. And as you're a healer, so if you can just enlighten about this Ho'oponopono method, how can we use it? In what situations we can use it? And yeah, it would be great if you could use it.
Yes. Certainly. So it's a very easy technique and it's a healing modality, definitely. And it has done wonderful, work in my own life. It has healed something which I was not able to heal through the medicine. And I never thought I will be ever free from this problem. And that I already spoke in one of the video that I was not able to eat certain category of the food from the childhood, which I'm able to eat now.
I heard that.
And yes, and now since this is very helpful, so I will definitely explain a little bit about it. It's a four line. So first is I am sorry, the first statement, and then the second is please forgive me. Then third is thank you, and then fourth is I love you. When it comes how to say it, it can be even when you are walking, when you are cooking, when you are going for interview, or when you are going for any small or big thing. You can keep clearing out the energy because every time any process is between two three people, so when you clear the energy, so the process
Mhm.
becomes smooth. Now
Okay.
when it comes particularly for one thing, and that is you mentioned what you want to heal, the process of.
Actually, it's not personal. I wanted to
Mm-hmm.
buy a property and
Mm-hmm.
I'm seeing some hurdles in it, though
Mm-hmm.
everything is okay, but it's like it's not happening.
Mm-hmm.
So I wanted to get it done in my time frame. So
Hmm.
I hope it will help, right? Even for these things.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Yes. So
Yeah.
if you could just tell me.
So, yeah, certainly. So, if it comes for you to heal this whole process and expedite, so you will close your eyes and you will repeat these statement
Can
with
I
the
do it right now?
reasons. Yes, close your eyes, hands on
Okay.
your heart. Yeah. And
Okay.
you will say, I am sorry. And
I'm
now you
sorry.
say sorry because I don't know why I find the process is very difficult. I am sorry because I have not met yet the right person who can win my trust. Maybe I'm a little bit scared when I'm planning the buying of this property. I am so sorry for having lack of trust in this whole process. Then, second statement, please forgive me. And there also, you will open your heart, you will listen to your mind, and you will say why you are actually asking forgiveness. So, suppose you are saying, please forgive me because I am not able to trust that I will meet the right person who will show me the property that is good for me. Please forgive me because I'm not able to trust myself that universe is with me and I'm always guided. And please forgive me because somehow I'm scared that will I get the right property for me. Thank you. So thank you line is used to address in advance, imagining it is done the way I want. So you're saying thank you for giving me the right property, showing me the right opportunity, and thank you for giving me the right person to deal for the entire process. And then you are saying I love you. I love you uh, to the soul and to the universe, that thank you for aligning my energy to the work, and thank you for bringing the best piece, that is the property that I was looking for. Thank you for giving me my dream house. So this is how you would say those four statements, and you will try to bring all of that, whatever is blocking your mind, your action. So when you do that, you will actually feel you are relaxed and you are able to clean it.
Okay.
You
So
can
can
open
I
your
repeat it?
eyes. Yeah, you can open your eyes, and if you want to take a minute, and then you can start again. Yeah.